Okay, so I want to do another video. Farm Wife had asked me, how do we use butter? And I used butter in the pecan sandy cookies. So this is the butter that we use. We use a country crock plant butter. Now there are different ones that have butters out there. Follow Your Heart used to, I think, and then Earth Balance had one. But there's several different ones that have the plant butter. That's what we use. And there's some that says dairy free. So, and we still use the Follow Your Heart dairy free cheese, the Parmesan. And my heirs has come out with their own dairy free cheeses. So this is what we use instead of the regular cheeses because of Anastasia's dairy allergy. And these have no soy in it. I've looked them up and everything. This has no soy, but let's look and see. Now you do have soy-based butters, you have oat butters, and this one, where is that? Yeah, it has soy lecithin in it. So, you never know. You have to read the labels. So that's the butter that we use. Will I keep using it? Maybe every once in a while. I don't know. But until I get a definite, but I'm quite sure, things go on. And see, this is my eye. And it's not as bad as it was this morning. So there you go, Farm Wife. That is the cheese and butters that we use. And that's how we make things with butter. The cookies and all the other good stuff. So, thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Our Treasure Home.